Hello, this is Hebei Dapu Company. Today, let me show you our fully automatic mesh welding machine for concrete mesh, reinforcement mesh, BRC mesh. This machine can work with fully automatic, less labor, and more high speed. Let me show you more details. The line wear is feeding by the coils. You can choose by 1 ton, 2 tons, or 3 tons as your need, according to your material. The long wear will go through the detection place. When it lack of wear or the break of wear, the machine will stop and alarm. This is the straightening part. The long wear will go through 16 straighten rollers to make the mesh more flat. This is the wear storage device. It used to pull the wear and also storage the wear in advance to make the machine work more stable and more smooth. This is the special design for line wear pushing. It is pushing by 2 delta servo motor. This device can saving more time for mesh pulling. For some device, we use the mesh pulling card for pulling. The mesh pulling card need to go back to the welding place. But for this machine, it can work continually, saving more time, so the machine capacity will be higher. This is the welding part. We use the AirTech brand welding air cylinders to weld 3 to 8 millimeter wears. And for the upper and the lower welding electrodes, they are both water cooling to make the mesh more flat and to protect the welding electrodes. This is the crosswear feeding part. For this part, it can storage 2 tons of wear material. This is the transfer the wear into the feeding part. The motor will help to feeding the wears into the feeding part. Then the rotating part will folding the cross wear one by one. This is the cutting machine. The machine will cut the mesh very precise and fast. After cutting, it will be transferred to the turning and stacking part. This one can directly transfer this mesh once, saving more time. This is the mesh turning and the stacking system. It will help to saving more space when you're loading into the container or transfer. After stacking, it will transfer out. You can check the finished mesh. It is very elegant at the side. This is the operation panel. You can set in the parameters on the touch screen. We use Welding touch screen, and you can also conveniently control the buttons here, and it can be moved as your need. The workers can operate very convenient. We use the Mitsubishi PLC and the Schneider electric components. This is the delta servo driver. This is the Innovance inverter. The whole machine only need 1 workers for operating. It is fully automatic, saving your labor, saving your time for production. Welcome to contact us for more details and quotations.